Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add text box background color in Zoho Writer. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Zoho Writer document. Then select the three dot drop down menu and go to the insert menu. Select the text box option. Then we can see we insert a text box. Now I am increase the size of text box. Then write anything. Click inside the text box and write anything. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse and go to the format menu. Increase the font size. You can align this text. Now we add the background color. Select the text box and go to the text box option menu. Then click the background option and choose any color. Now I am select this color. Now we can see we add a background color to text box easily. You can change this color. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.